Hey guys, Dean here from Big Dog Builds. We've got another amazing looking black Chev. This one's another 4-inch Cognito kit with the Elka 2.5-inch shocks. We've gone and installed a massive set of 37, 13.5, 22 BFG tyres to some nice fuel wheels. So these are 22 by 10 neg 24 fitment. Definitely fills out these Bushwacker colour-coded flares really nicely. These things look amazing with the 4-inch lift 37s. This one is staying fairly factory. We're not doing a canopy or anything on this one, so going that little bit higher, a little bit bigger wheels and tyres is what this customer was chasing. Did drive all the way up from Sydney for this one, so shout out to Trent for coming all the way up from there. And we've installed the full air on board setup as well. It's got the ARB Twin compressor setup. It's got the Switchpro switching controller to switch all the extra loads. Got the air outlets both front and rear on this one. So we're just trialling a couple different locations. You can inflate, deflate your tyres or any other accessories from both the front and the rear of the vehicle. He'll be helping out all friends and family around him, I'm sure. 4-inch lift, 37-inch tyres, smooth Bushwacker flares. We've also installed the smaller bed steps on the back of this one, and the team at Slickaz have done a full paint protection film over the entire vehicle. So this gloss wrap from Slickaz is definitely the best paint protection you can get. If you do have slight scratches down the sides, the self-healing properties in this film's amazing. It'll keep your truck looking really nice. And on top of this, we've added the Big Dog Builds custom light setup to the front end. So this is the 2 Lazerlamp LED combo lights in behind the grille. These are the triple R series. Amazing output there, switched through the high beam trigger as well. And then we've got the signature Big Dog Builds front Chevy light up logo. Custom install for this one, we do have to do it in-house. We don't have a kit available. Had a few people asking to send it around Australia. It is remove the front grille and customize the set in-house. So if you're interested in this one, guys, get in touch today. We look forward to some more tough Chevys coming out this year.